Wala, mahangin guys dito sa labas. Ayan. Mahangin kaya ay ako nakita. Ngayon nagluluto ako ng gulay binanggan for our lunch. So, papakita ko sa inyo guys kung ano yung niluluto. Ayan siya. Dahon ng lufa or kabatiti or dahon saka yung tampos niya at saka ito spinach or sisitan at saka ito ayan yung sitaw na may kamote, orange yung kamote. Pwede na natin ilagay ito. Ayan. Yung ganito siya. Pwede na. Ito yung ano ng patiti or lufa. Ayan. Ay, ito yung bulaklak niya. Pwede siyang i-vegetable, i-gulay. Ayan. 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 Ito fresh na fresh galing sa bukid. Ayan. Napaka-green, napaka-healthy. Ayan. Lagyan lang ng bagoong tapos yung small string yung dry. Anuhin na. Kumulo lang ng konti. May bagoong na yan guys. Kumulo ng konti, pwede na yan. 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 Tapos takpan na. Ayan. Ayan guys, yung isinahog ko doon. Maliliit na prawns. Ayan. Okay, mamaya magluluto ulit tayo ng isa pang tapos yun. Ayan. Pinulot ko lang yung mga manggang branch ng mga manggang nahulog dahil sa malakas na hangin. Ayan na sa mga guys. Pwedeng gamitin panggato. Diba? Sa mga kalsada dyan. Mga nahulog na sanga-sanga. Ayan. Maganda kapag mangga. Ayan. Mangga. Ayan. Diretso na sa kalan. Ayan, malapit-lapit na guys. Yung masyadong overcook para masarap. Sarap sana kung may sarap-sarap. Lagyan kaya natin ng saludo. Ito. Hi! Ayan yung saludo niya. Lagyan natin siya ng konti. Ayan. Konti lang. Ayan. Ito mas magarap na. Ito, mas fresh. Ayan. Ay, igiran niya nila kasi. Ay, dito na. Tama na ito guys. Aray. Yan. Ay nako, may ihi si carding. Ayan. Ayan, pwede na rin. Ilagay yan. Pagasan lang konti. Kasi malinis naman. Ayan. Oh, still. Ayan, pwede na. Oh. Ayan. Pwede mo siyang kunin, guys. Ayan. Shoo!
Very hot.
Okay, see. Ulo, mainit-init pa.
Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube 200 Travelers channel. Okay, and again we have the typhoon today here. What's the name?
Paeng.
See, too much rain outside. Current, and the wire has been pulled out. And too much trees are also fall down here. Today we cook a simple dish with vegetable and mix of some spinach and it's like a soup because today it's very cooling climate.
Windy season.
Yeah, and that's too much windy. That's all the wire has been pulled out. The lamp post has been fall down and the people are fixing now.
Pangalan, guys. What is mga in Tamil?
Sapidawanga.
Tali
Sapidawanga.
Sapadi Wanga.
Yeah.
Wanga. Mangantayin apo. You tell, mangantayo apo.
Magan kayo hapo. Okay, the dish lakon.
Kain na po, guys.
Today the dish is
Dunang.
gunungan, simple kind of gunungan.
See?
So you can see the hotness, the smoke still it is coming.
Yes.
It
Kasi
puts-
masarap kumain. It's nice to eat today.
Allah, my
Okay.
leg.
Oh, you
Yes,
you like to
I
eat
don't want to
spinach.
break that one.
I will take some for mine. There's some saluyot. I add some saluyot.
And that is sticky, like
Like
sticky. Mm.
you want the
Same
soup?
like the vodka, the pony.
Yeah, but this is the leaf.
Mm.
Okay, you need to eat the kamote. This is the orange one, guys. Is
Mm.
sweet. I
Sweet potato, yeah, correct.
yeah, it's sweet potato, guys. Okay, you eat
Okay,
now. You
see
want
the
the soup?
soup. See here the soup.
Oh, it's hot.
Very
You want
hot.
to-
I will drink first.
Okay, I will take some.
Okay. And here also you put some. Okay.
Oh,
Okay. Now I'm going to drink like this.
mangantayo na.
Okay guys. Let me
Gutom na
try.
kami. It's already 12 exactly. Where is it?
Very nice in the hot.
Nandisin na ko,
climate.
guys.
I'm
I'm
very
hungry.
hungry today.
Every day, but that's why we call it
Hungry.
too hungry.
Mm. Very
I'm
tasty.
craving a lot of things.
Mm.
Food, about food.
Not only food, more really. Right? No more the
Yeah?
what
This
that
is
one?
saluyot.
This one. The,
No more.
Oh,
Pulpo.
very nice actually. Taste fast with the soup. Only
How is it the soup?
nice taste. The spinach taste I can feel it. Very hot now I can tell nicely. The cool. Finish. Sorry guys. Brownie. Push something. Right?
Yeah. So I need to clean up.
Clean up and after that we are continuing
Continue.
our food.
Okay.
Too much stuff. You use the spoon. Okay, because I will drink some. In the dishwasher, you can take your spoon if you want. This one very tasty, the soup. Still hot. Okay guys, now we start with it. Now brownie will come cheese. You know that.
Kasi domestic.
That is why. Alright, sit down. You get a scold from the kids. Especially. Yes. Okay guys. Now I'm mixing this kamote. But Rambo, Rambo, the dog, is very gentle. He will wait for this turn. He won't do anything.
See?
Mm. But Roxy, she will also sometimes very aggressive.
Later we can eat this.
Banana.
Taba.
Sabah in Tagalog, right?
Saging.
Saging. Sabah is silopan. It's confusing. You need to learn a lot.
You speak more.
Almost 3 years, more than 3 years, right?
You still don't know that much.
But I can understand. But only thing, not that much.
Naintindihan niya?
Dying.
Konti. Saan yung daing mo? Saan?
Dying.
Saan na yung daing mo? I tell saan means where is your daing?
This one. I cannot eat very fast because the teeth is shaking.
Hard to sabaw. If you want sabaw, still have.
Oh, that's how
Have.
we don't have the nice proper gas stove. We have the own wooden one, right?
We use charcoal. I mean, it's not charcoal, wood.
Maybe they will go later, right?
Not now.
Today.
It's still
Later.
raining.
Like
Very hard.
maybe this month, end of the month, starting they will go, right?
Maybe third week. I will take video guys and we will see how.
In the mountain. My nanay, she also carried the wood. She's 65 above. Senior citizen.
But not that much. We will carry a little bit, especially me. Very hard, a bit far.
I go before, then I can, when I walk. But now I cannot. But someday,
You come with us once you walk. Once in God's grace, hopefully you can take operation and you can survive. You're brave, right? You have in God.
Nice, the sisitan, cooked nicely. Very tasty. If you put this sisitan in the curry, it's very tasty. Same like kirai corn in Tamil. Spinach grain, like curry.
Little baby po.
And also some fried fish if you have, very tasty. But we don't have the pickles. The pickles need a very nice different varieties. Here everything we don't have, but in online we can buy, but very expensive.
Oh, tomorrow is already All Saints Day, November 1.
Everybody will go. This month
we want to put candle for my mother, my father, my mother-in-law also. We need to put also, even though she never died here, my mother-in-law. We will put candle tomorrow, I think. Hopefully we can go tomorrow because now very hard to go. It's raining and a little bit windy, very windy, very dangerous.
Now it's getting dark too much.
Electric chili.
Yes.
We
Too
have
much
more.
chili I got.
We like to eat chili. We like to eat.
If we have the masala, don't want that much chili. Extra no spiciness.
Ayun. Cut something, do something. Okay. Okay guys, we're almost gonna finish up.
Mm.
Allah.
We will see you on the next video. And thank you for watching our YouTube to Hungry Travelers. And please subscribe our Facebook page. Indian
Subscribe,
Pinay.
follow.
Follow and like. And then other Facebook page to Hungry Travelers.
Subscribe also our
Not subscribe, follow
No.
and like.
our blog.
Our
on
blog
YouTube.
is to Hungry Travelers.
Subscribe